how to buy base Bali token. So this token came under the symbol of Bali. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to go on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the direct account and get following the updates about this token. This token is available on the screen, as you can see here. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the base network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bit wallet. Go to your wallet, select the base as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here to add it to your wallet. Now click on this plus icon, go back to your wallet to find your token that you just added. Just keep scroll down until you find it. So this is our token. Click on it, and here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Here type how much you want to buy, and after a second you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So this is it. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Bali token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.